The Contactor Radio Frequency Portable Kit is a discrete and portable assistive listening solution designed to provide one-to-one communication. Ensure clear conversations in a variety of environments, at reception desks, in consultation rooms, or even on the go. The system is designed for versatility. It includes headphones for members of the public, along with a neck loop for people using compatible hearing aids. Choose the headphone set that best suits your needs, ensuring comfortable communication every time. Setup is simple. After the portable kit is turned on, it's just a matter of adjusting the volume without ongoing setup. With a 10-hour battery life and a reliable wireless connection, you can focus on the conversation, not the technology. Experience high-quality sound without interference or signal loss. The Contactor RF Frequency Portable Kit, designed for minimal maintenance with just a yearly check needed. Focus on what matters most, direct and effective communication. Learn more about how we can help with one-to-one interactions and get in touch today.